Hi there, I'm Darion, and today we're going to be showing you how to make the Ham Chin Peng, which is a Chinese donut. But before, the first thing is we actually need to put the filling, which is the red bean paste. And so I pretty much got all the ingredients all ready. So we'll go through it and let's put it together and cook it together on the Thermomix and to show you how easy it is. Alright, the first thing we need is you actually need to have 300 grams of red beans, and we need to pre-soak this overnight. Next, we have 600 grams of water. Cook it for 30 minutes at 100 degrees and speed 2. Okay, now here's what it looks like. Now it does say that to dispose of excess water, but there's no excess water because 600 grams is actually just enough. So what we do now is just to blend the mixture a little bit for 1 minute at speed 6. Now can you imagine, trying to mix all this up with the measuring cup and everything? It keeps it quite safe, and you can hear the machine sort of gradually move to speed 6 rather than going straight forward, so it will give it a really nice texture. Alright. Let's have a look at it. So that's the texture. So you can see that once we'll blend it again, we'll scrape the sides of the paste so that it brings everything into the middle, and we'll blend it again at speed 8, and you'll get it really smooth. Just gradual. Look at that. Nice and smooth. Alright, now what we'll do is we'll add in our 150 grams of oil, and then we'll cook it a little bit longer for 15 minutes at 100 degrees. Alright, now this is all really nice and smooth. You can see it's flowy with the oil. Now what we need to do is add in 30 grams of wheat starch. Alright, now this helps bind it all together. Okay, now what we need to do is mix the starch in for 30 seconds on speed 4. Okay, now next we add 150 grams of brown sugar, as well as 30 grams of maple syrup. And that's the final process. We will cook that at 120 degrees for 15 minutes and on speed 2.5. So this is once again showing the versatility of the Thermomix. For 15 minutes it will cook it right at the perfect temperature of 120 degrees, which is actually a high heat mode. And it's stirring it at 2.5, so it's nice and it's slowly melting the sugar and the maple syrup in together, and it will be a fantastic consistency. I'm blown away by how smooth it is. So we'll check in on it later and see how we go. Oh, it's smelling so good. Alright, now what we do is we transfer it all into a bowl and use the spatula to smooth it out. Look at that. Look at how smooth everything is. Whew. Now, because I love things that are sweet and I'm being cheeky, what I like to do is have a bit of a taste test myself to see how good this is. It's really good. Alright, well now we can proceed to get our Ham Chin Peng done, and now I've made red bean paste, but you know, you can do lotus seed paste. You can also do kaya. There's many things that you can do. Now look at this. Look how nice it is. Enjoy.